Experiment in mechanics. Experiment 2. Local value of acceleration due to gravity by using simple pendulum. Objective. Then objectives of this experiment is to measure or to determine the period of the pendulum as a function of the length of wire, and to determine the period of the pendulum as a function of the angle of deflection, to determine the gravitational acceleration with a mathematic pendulum. Then the materials used for this experiment are, or the equipments which are used for this experiment are: a ball with pendulum suspension, a steel tape measure, should be 2 meters and above, and a stopwatch. This apparatus must be required to perform a given experiment or this experiment. Then in the first case, determining the period as a function of length of wire, then as a function of length of the wire, then having the length of the wire, when the length of the wire is measured, then varying the length of the wire, we can determine the period of the pendulum by oscillating this suspended ball suspended with a pendulum, by raising or displacing from equilibrium to some sides or to left or right side, then releasing that suspended ball and taking the time of oscillation, then one complete oscillation is equal to, or one cycle or one complete cycle. If you release the ball from your hand and it goes through and turns back to your hand, if it reaches in your hand, then it completes one complete cycle. Taking this oscillation, one oscillation, and it took the time from your first it leaves from your hand and moves away and then turns back to the hand. It have a time, or it took a time. That time over number of oscillation, for example, one oscillation, number of oscillation is equal to 1, then the time taken for this one oscillation is said to be period. Then easily we can calculate this period of a given pendulum, ball suspended pendulum, by increasing the length of the wire. We can determine the period and take the average value of the period, and correctly we get the approximated value of oscillation. Then if we get this value, then easily we can calculate the acceleration due to gravity. Then the equation is given. Now we know that time period is equal to 2 pi under the roots L over G, where L is length of the wire, and G is acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity. Then the value of gravity from area to another area is different. And from this relation we take that G is equals to 4 pi square L over T square, where T is period of this pole suspended pendulum. Then by using this relation we can obtain that the value of acceleration due to gravity in a given area. The second case is, this is based on the length of the wire. Then on the another case, or first case, no, for second case, sorry, we can determine also by depending on this angle of deflection. Then when we erase a given ball suspended from equilibrium to a given side, then we displace in a given angle. Then this angle, let's say psi, which is equal to sine inverse of x over L. Then here x is said to be horizontal distance from equilibrium position, and L is the length of a given wire, that is the ball suspended pendulum, the wire that which the ball is suspended on the pendulum. And this length is, in this case, length of the wire is constant. Here L is constant. Then we can obtain by using the relation. And another relation, from this relation, after we obtain that, then by applying second case, when we after we get psi is equal to sine inverse of x over L, then the time period is given by 2 pi radical or under the root L over G into 1 plus 1 over 4 sine square psi over 2. Then substituting the value psi is given here, then we can also determine that the value of G by using these different deflection angles. Then we can determine that we can solve easily by using this first case and second case, and we can achieve our goal or our aim of this experiment.